Afternoon, sir.
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, last class,
Good afternoon, sir.
last class revision. We discussed the coding, decoding. In that, first we finished letters, then numbers, and again in letters. Then next we discussed mixed. In mixed, old and new patterns, and again in letter we discussed forward, right, reversed, cross, opposite, same position, that is based on position. Then next we discussed illogical. And again we discussed the number and alphabet. And next time we discussed mixed. That is old pattern. These are the things we discussed in the last previous classes. Okay. Now, today class, we'll discuss some more examples on mixed coding, decoding. Okay. Last class, I gave you some homework. Last class, I gave you some homework. Can you please read the answers? Yes, guys, please respond. Please read the
Economics is-
answer. Last class.
Economic is not money.
Say loudly.
It's not money.
Yeah, money. If possible, write on your screen.
Economics is not money.
Yeah, I need answers, not entire.
Economics is
Right? Economics.
okay, sir.
Economics. Then is.
Money.
Then not. Okay, I'll write. Then we'll see. Is not. Then again money. Then demand. And supply. Makes. Only. Part. Right. Now, what are the answers for this? First one. What is the code for economics? Economics.
K
Guys, please respond here. Economics
A, sir.
KA.
is. Is. What is the code for is? What is the code for is?
HOGO, sir.
Yeah. HO or GO. The code for is or not is HO or GO. What is the code for money?
HORGO.
LA, sir.
Money.
LA, sir.
Yeah,
LA,
right.
sir.
And again, demand.
TA, sir.
Yes, demand or supply is
MO or TA, sir.
yes, MO or TA. Similarly, MO or TA. What is the code for and?
TA, sir.
TA, sir.
TA, sir.
Then what is the code for makes?
ZI, sir.
Yeah, very good. ZI. Then what is the code for only?
NERKI.
Yeah, only or part is NE or KI. Is all the people getting answers for this?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
please respond. Is all the people getting answers for this puzzle? Guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we'll see one more example, same like this. Later we'll letting into the next type. Please make it copy if possible. I'm writing the puzzle, that is coding, decoding. Men in black. This is also on one more type based on symbols. Men in black is coded as $% hash. Black diamond gold. Black diamond gold is coded as percent copyright and @ diamond rose gold.
Black and a percentage.
Diamond rose gold is coded as @ copyright and star. And rose in red is coded as $, star, and question mark. Then what are the code for? Please try this, all of you. What are the code for men in black? Please, all of you copy and try. Try slowly, no hurry worry. Please remind me if I am fast. Now please, all of you copy the coding puzzle and do it immediately.
Diamond copyright.
Please, all of you, please try.
Diamond copyright.
Yeah. Anybody not understood, please try. Take 3 minutes of time. Solve all the words. If you are not getting, again I will explain. Please try, all of you. Don't waste time. How much people are there?
Percentage.
A total 37 people are there. I need response from all the people, 37.
Black percentage.
Black percentage, sir.
Rose star, sir.
Black percentage.
Very good. Then write the symbols there only.
In dollar, sir.
Okay.
Man hashtag, sir.
Rose star, sir.
Red question mark.
Rose star.
Then now please tell me what is the code for men?
Hashtag, sir.
Hashtag.
The people who are not getting answers, please listen. Please listen. Black is here. Again, black is here. The common word in 1 and 2 is black, black. What is the common symbol in both the lines is?
Percentage.
Percent. So black is percent. Then fourth line and first line is common is in.
Dollar, sir.
Then what is the code for same? $.
Dollar, sir.
So in is $. Then the leftover man is the leftover symbol, that is hash.
Hashtag.
Yeah. Second line, third line, diamond, diamond. What is the common thing both of them? Copyright, copyright. So
Copyright.
diamond, copyright. Then next your leftover is gold. Again here also gold. What is the common thing both of them? @
At the rate.
So gold is @ rose, the leftover word,
Rose.
the leftover code. Star.
Star.
Yeah, then leftover word, leftover code. That is
Question
repeat
mark.
question mark. All the people are understood or not?
Yes,
Understood,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
From all 37. Understood or not?
Sir, understood.
Yes,
Anybody
sir.
wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Yeah, now we'll see the next type. Next type. Now listen carefully. This is also very, very important. Given many times in all exams. And you are also having in your books this type of questions. That is next type. If red means yellow, please listen carefully. This is next type. That is type 9 or 8. If red means yellow, please listen. If you want to copy, copy. If red means yellow, yellow means blue, yellow means blue. Again, blue means orange. Blue means orange. Again, green means red. Green means red. The question is, what is the color of sky? Question is, what is the color of sky? Now listen carefully here.
Orange.
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 Very good, very good. What is the color of sky? If you see here, what is the color of sky normally? It is blue. It is, but in the
Blue, sir.
coding, blue is called as orange.
Orange.
Then your answer will become what here?
Orange.
Orange. Got it? This is type 9. Type 9. It's a very easy questions. We'll see one more question like this. Lika lika 12 పేజీ లిక ఆయా ఆయా అండర్ ఆన్సర్ అండ ఆయా చాలా పెద్దగా ఇస్తాడు బట్ ఆన్సర్ చాలా చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. Now see the next question in the same way. Yeah, if pen is table, table is bed, bed is roof, roof is train, train is green. Then the question is, what is to travel on parallel lines?
Train.
Green.
Green, sir. Green.
Train.
Green.
And normally in a parallel lines, the traveling is train.
Train.
But a train is called what here?
Green.
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 Your answer will become what? Green.
Green.
Type 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Now we discussed every model in coding and decoding. Now let's see the new pattern. This is very rare hypothetical. If the question paper is very tough, then only you can get a type 10. Type 10. Very toughest questions. If the examiner decided to lose the marks in coding, decoding, definitely these type of new pattern questions will ask. New pattern will ask. I will tell you two type of questions. One I will explain, another is do it yourself. Now listen carefully. The new pattern. So the coding is this one. Please copy your these are new type of questions. If you get the answer for one, definitely you will do all the 5. Listen carefully. Please copy new trend questions. Diverse. Please copy your diverse place with beliefs. With beliefs. Please copy new trend questions. Please copy new trend questions. Is coded as C6F, O4F, V3I, A6T. Then forming an alliance. Then forming. Please copy these type of questions. Never will be in a material. This type of questions are not in your material. Please copy. This is a new trend model. Only we'll discuss 2 types of questions on this. Please copy. Well, humans coming across. Well, humans coming across. V3M, G5T, B5H, Z5T. Light years would they? Light years. This type of puzzles are not in your material. Please copy, all of you. If you see one model like this, then it will helpful. If the question is based on this type of model, please copy. If I am fast, please remind me. S3Z. Now questions are, question number 1. What is the code for version? Question number 2. What is the code for bad? Question number 3. What is the code for girl? Question number 4. Bajaj. See, if you see in the last model, same word, same code, isn't it? But here, all are different words, all are different codes. And the questions also different. Version, bad, girl, Bajaj. These words are not in the given code. So that's why it is called new pattern and new pattern based questions. All here is new words, new codes. If you get answer for one code, then it entire 4 questions will be going to solve in a second. But the thing is, you should solve this one. Yes, please copy. If I am fast, please remind me.
Completed, sir.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Here, you should get 3 things. What is that? First thing is, what is the code for first alphabet? Second, what is the code for number? Third is, what is the code for last alphabet? You should find all these 3. That is first alphabet, I am giving you clues now. Second, you should find what is the code for number. And next is, what is the code for last alphabet. Then how to find when these type of questions are asked in exam, how to find. Now see here clue words. F is there. F is there. Again, wherever F, no. 6 is there. 4, 3, again 6. Again 6. Wherever 6, right? If you see here, diverse place with beliefs, then forming an alliance. Well, humans coming across light years would they? If you see here, what is the last letter here? E. What is the first letter here? D. If you observe clearly, is any word in these lines started with the same letter? If you see in the second line, there is an, and again there is a. There is a, and again there is a. If you observe here, there is Z, again there is Z. Isn't it or not? In the second line, if you observe here, two words are started with A, but in the coding, two letters are having like Z and Z. Means by this, I can get an idea that the first alphabet is in word first alphabet -1. If you take one more thing, for example, take place. I'm writing here, listen carefully, place. PLACE. What is the first alphabet here? P. P is 16. 16 minus 1. Which alphabet? 15. 15th alphabet is O. If you see in the coding, yeah, O is there. Means the place is coded as O4F. The place is coded as O4F. So first thing is completed. First alphabet is nothing but the starting letter of the word -1. The starting letter of the word -1. Then what is the code for number? How to find a number? If you see here, how many alphabets are there in a place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But what you are having here is 4. Again, we'll see one more word. For example, wood. What is the W number? 23. 23 minus 1 is how much? 22. 22 means which alphabet? V. Ikkadundi. If you count the number of letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you are having is what? 4. Means the number is coded as number of letters. Number of letters in the word -1. Understood or not? If there is a 6-letter word, the number is 5. If you see here, forming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 letters are there, means the number coding is what here? 6. If you see here, E6H means the first alphabet is coded as first letter of the word -1, and number is coded as number of letters in the word -1. Then what about last alphabet? If you see here in a place,
Last
what is
alphabet
the
plus
last
1.
letter alphabet? E. But what about last alphabet you are having? F. Means what here? +1. That is last letter of the word. Last letter of the word +1. Right? Is it clear? See one more example. If you want to solve, please see one more example. For example, take light. L-I-G-H-T. L-I-G-H-T. What is the first letter you are having? L. L minus 1. L is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 is which alphabet? K. Then number of letters are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means the number will become what here? -1. If the number of letters are 5, the number is 4. The number is 4. Right? Then what is the last letter? T. T means what? 20. 20 plus 1 how much? 21. 21 letter is what? U. Are you observe K for U here? Yes guys, please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, right is here, K for U is here. Got it my point? This is
Yes, sir.
called new pattern type of questions. Means here the first letter is coded like that. The first letter of the word -1. The number is coded as number of letters of the word -1. And last alphabet is coded as last letter of the word +1. Is it clear? Anybody wants to repeat?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now listen carefully one more time. Please listen carefully one more time. If you see here, humans, I am writing code for humans. Please listen who are not getting. Humans I am writing HUMANS, humans. What is the first letter you are having? H. H is what? 8. 8 minus 1 what? 7. Seventh letter is what? G.
G.
Is there G here? Yes.
S.
How many number of letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number is coded like that. Number of letters -1. 6 letters means what is the number you should get here is 5.
5.
Then what is the last letter you are having? Yes.
Yes.
Yes is what? 19. And
19.
19 plus 1 is what? 20.
20.
This letter is what? T.
T.
Are you getting G5T?
Yes, sir.
But
Understand,
the
sir.
coding thing is first letter is coded like that. The first letter of the word -1. Number is coded like that. Number of letters in the word -1. And last letter is coded like that. The last letter of the word +1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Fun. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to repeat?
No,
These type of questions are not in your book. Now listen carefully. The question number 1 is, what is the code for version? You should write the code, please.
U60.
U6O,
Second question is bad.
A3E,
And third question is girl.
F3M,
And fourth question is Bajaj.
A5K.
Very good.
Sir, second the A to E, sir.
ఎవరైతే ఈరోజు క్లాస్ వినలేదో డెఫినెట్గా ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తే డెఫినెట్లీ దే విల్ బి ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ లూజర్స్. 4 మార్కులకు ఇస్తాడు ఒకేసారి ఎగ్జామ్ కి. ఇలాంటి టైప్ ఆఫ్
Sir,
క్వశ్చన్స్.
second the A to E.
యా టెల్ మీ.
A4K,
Second the
sir.
This is A. Number of letters are 1, 2,
4K, sir.
3, 4, 5. 5 means 4. Last letter is J. J plus 1, 11 is K. That is A4K. Is it clear, all of you? Yeah. G -1, number of letters. Yes, correct. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Shall we see the next question? Same model.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please copy. These type of questions are never in your book. Please copy. Yes, please copy. These questions are not in your book. Earlier, in the last is coded as, please copy 12 #U 20@f 9 star O Yes, next thing is PDF opening late. What? Okay, this is going to be late. We'll solve one more. I'll write one more question. The PDF is opening late. Now, please solve this. Question paper is white. Is coded as M8J 2 HR and I5K B5D. In the same way, same manner, same manner people is coded as B4H V6K I6N. Then next, love is pathetic is coded as H2R B4O and X7. Then what are the codes for question number 1? Blood. Question number 2, sky. Question number 3, question number 4, Rajesh. Now please solve this question. First copy. Please first copy and solve the question. Guys, please copy. Have you copied? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
First copy, then solve. have only 3 minutes or 5 minutes. No problem. Take your own time. Please solve. First, observe the codes.
Completed, sir.
Yes. Please, guys. I will ask name wise. ఎవరు అడిగితే వాళ్ళే చెప్పాలి. Yes, if I ask, only those people respond. Pavani, are you getting or not? Pavani and Charita Reddy.
Yes, sir.
Jahir. Jahir, respond. Charan. Charan. Nitya.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Vivek Kumar. Gautam. Mahesh.
Sir.
Kaushik. Sai. Sirisha.
Hello,
Rahul,
sir.
Sumant. Please respond, guys. How would I know
Sir.
you are listening or not? Yeah. Are you getting or not? Now let's see
Yes,
here.
sir.
No, sir.
There is an explanation. Here you should find 3 things. First thing is, what is the code for first letter? What is the code for number? What is the code for last alphabet? Those 3 things you should find out. First, code for first alphabet, then code for number,
And code for last alphabet.
and code for last alphabet. Then, if you observe here, you should find N is there, Q is there, P is there, R is there. If you observe here, is, H2R, H2R. Means definitely is coded like H2R. Is coded like H2R.
H2R.
Yeah. If you see, what is the H opposite letter?
Yes.
Yes, H. The logic is high school. That is comes first. How many number of letters are there? 2.
2.
That comes here. What is I opposite letter?
R.
R.
Indian Railways.
R. So definitely, see one more example. What is the first letter here? People, P. Right?
Yes, sir.
What is the last letter? E.
E.
What is E opposite letter? V.
V. Evening.
Number of letters are 6. P opposite letter is K. Yes, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If you see one more word, same. What is the last letter?
E.
E opposite letter is V.
V.
Number of letters are
4.
First letter is S. S opposite letter is H.
H.
High school. Means the first letter is coded as
Last letter, opposite letter.
last letter of the word
Opposite letter.
opposite letter. Opposite letter.
Number is number of letters.
Yes. Number is number of letters in the word. Very good. Then last is
First of the word, opposite letter.
Opposite
first
letter.
letter of the word
Opposite letter.
opposite letter. Now, I asked only name the people. Please respond those people only. Right?
Okay.
I would ask only those people. Say answer only those people. Shravan Kumar, answer for blood.
Yes.
Shravan Kumar, for blood. Please only respond Shravan Kumar, not remaining.
W5.
W5. Yeah, tell me W5. Shravan Kumar, W5 and
Why, sir?
Y. Yeah, Chaitanya, is it correct or not? Say only respond Chaitanya, not other people. Chaitanya. Chaitanya. RJY. Chaitanya. That is the thing. Right, next, Sirisha. Sirisha, what is the code for sky? Okay, people are not responding. Gautam, what is the code for sky? Gautam. Not Sai KNL. Is it Sai? Who's this writing? Yeah, Y opposite letter is B. Number of letters are 3. S opposite letter is H, correct. Then Pushpalata, answer for Madhu.
Sir, F-I-N, sir.
F5
N.
N, very good. Then Supraja, answer for Rajesh.
Yes, 6I, sir. Yes,
Yes,
6I.
6 I, very good. Okay, by this, all the models, by this, if anybody wants to repeat previous puzzle,
No, sir.
okay. By this, we completed all the models in coding, decoding. By this, we completed all the models in coding and decoding. That is, total basic class is completed. Now we will solve the questions in your book. We will solve the questions in your book. Right? We'll solve questions in your book. Now listen carefully. Question number 1. CURA is coded as BSVD. Then what is the code for TIVE? Yeah, tell me answer.
FW. J.
G.
Wrong answer. Please try. Correct, na? If you see here, AB. Again, if you see here, CD. If you see here, RS. If you see here,
Passporting, sir.
yeah, if you see here, UV. Means what the thing happening here, all are incremented by +1. But like this. That is E plus 1, F. Again, T plus 1, U.
W, sir.
I plus 1, J. Here is wrong, you are writing. This is what? W.
W.
Yeah, W. Is it clear, all of you? This is which type of coding?
Cross coding.
Cross coding forward. Very good. See question number 2. Solve this. Mouse. MOUSE. Mouse is coded as PRUQC. Then what is the code for shift? Please solve this.
VKIDR.
E K I
D, sir.
I
DR.
T. Is it T? Okay. Now listen carefully, no problem. M is 13, P is 16, O is 15, R is 18. Again middle letter UU. S is 19, Q is 17, E is 5, C is 3. Means first -3, middle letter as this. Next to -2, -2. If here middle letter is what you are having I, you should write middle letter as same I. So remaining what happened? S is 19, H is 8. What the happening? -3, -3. 19 -3, 16. 16th letter is P. 8 -3, 5. 5th letter is E. And again,
Sir, +3, no, sir?
is 20. Yeah, see, +3, sorry. 19 plus 3, 21. What is 21st, 22nd letter? Is V.
V.
H is 8, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 is K. And middle letter I is I. F is 6. And again -2 means 4. Fourth letter is D. T is 20, -2 is 18. 18th letter is R. The answer is VKIDR. All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
Am I fast?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah. Then see the next coding, which is one book. Which is in our book. Remote is coded as ROTEME. Then what is the code for Picnic. Yes, please write the answer and which type it is. Please, all the 38 people solve. Don't sit calm idle. Yes, is it correct? Which type it is? Which type it is?
Cross codings.
Yeah. Same position of the word. Position of the word. So very simple. This type of, if you give a numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First R, next E means first letter last as it is. Remaining letters are O is 4, T is 5, E is 2, M is 3. If you give same numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First and last is as it is P and C. I am writing here P, C. Remaining are 4. Fourth letter is N. Fifth letter is I. Second letter is I. Third letter is C. So you should write like this. Clear? See next question. Please solve this. Fame. Fame is coded as LGGY. Then what is the code for game? As do it. Fame is coded as LGGY. Then what is the code for game?
KGGY.
AGGY, sir.
K
GGY.
GGY. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. F is 6, L is 12, A is 1, G is 7, M is 13, G is 7, E is 5, Y is 25. First is plus 6 plus 6. Sorry, plus 6 plus 6. And next is minus 6 minus 6. Same also here. 7, 1, 13, 5. Means plus 6 plus 6. Again minus 6 minus 6. Correct. See the next question. Number 6. None is coded as
Sir, 7 plus 6, 13 కదా sir. అప్పుడు
Yeah.
ఏం కదరా?
tell me which one?
గేమ్ కింద సార్ జీ కింద కే వచ్చింది.
A is G. Again A is G. M is G. M is G. E is Y.
జీ దగ్గర ఎం కదా
7
రావాలి
plus
సార్.
6 is 13. 13th alphabet is M. Okay, thank you. Then none is coded as LQ, LG. Then what is the code for gone?
EQLG.
One thing is very clear. QLG, same thing. Very simple. N is 14, L is 12, O is 15, Q is 17. N is 14, L is 12, E is 5, G is 7. Means plus 2 minus 2. Plus 2, sorry. Plus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Same thing gone. Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Sir.
Letters are plus 2. Next two letters are minus 2. Clear? Anybody wants to repeat?
No, sir.
Then next question. Lion is coded as rose. Then what is the code for rose? I'm very clear. Question is lion is coded as rose. Then what is the code for rose? Lion. Lion. ఏం అంత మీ ఇష్టం అయిపోయిందే కాదు డోంట్ రైట్ ఫస్ట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద లాజిక్ యార్ 12 9 15 14 again 16 15 19 5 then write for this answer, then only it is correct. Twelve 16
R18 sir.
19 15 means plus 6. 15
R18.
means plus 4
Sir, R18.
plus R18.
R18, sir.
O15. Oh, sorry. So that is plus 6 plus 6 plus 4. 9 14 5 means what? Minus 6 na?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Okay. So that is plus 6 plus 6 plus 4 minus 9. In the same way, tell me answer for this. R is 8
X.
plus 6 24.
X.
Fourth alphabet is
X.
X. O is 15 plus 6 is
U.
under 21. S is 19 plus 4 is 20.
23. W.
W. 5. Minus 9 means 26, 25, 24, 20.
V.
Alphabet is V. 5 key, 5 alphabets are gone. Again, next 4 alphabets are gone. Next alphabet is what? V. Got it?
V.
Anybody wants to repeat?
No.
Okay, guys. We'll see tomorrow. Few more questions in your booklet. Thank you. Take care.